Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, the sling bag expert, back another day with another unboxing and of course another sling bag. I actually don't know why I buy so many sling bags. There is no reason for it at all. I have at least 20 of them now and I'm still not happy with any of them, I think. But this one from Soul Premise, or like this. I have or two bags from Soul Premise. I might be the only sneaker unboxer that is not sponsored by Soul Premise. But I have the orange ones and I really like them. I really do. The leather is nice, the color is great, quality is good, everything is really nice. So even from the beginning, I was thinking of buying their crossbody bag in the matching orange because it would just be nice. But the taxes and shipping to Sweden and everything, that makes it kind of sour because in this case, I paid 90% as much in taxes as the bag and shipping cost. So everything I want to order from US is going to cost me twice as much. So that is kind of a bummer. But so to the funny thing, I traveled with a friend. Must have been spring or whatever, and I had my Soul Premise bag. Sorry about the noise. And yeah, so I had a Soul Premise bag. I'm gonna link it to you. And he said, or he asked, "Oh, so is that your Sir Pierre bags?" I said, "No, that's not it. Why would you think that?" I took it as a compliment, of course, but then he said, "But it says Sir Pierre on it, and we have the SP logo, Soul Premise logo." And I haven't thought about that at all until he said it. So SP is Sir Pierre. So never mind. I sent them a mail and asked if they could set this metal plate logo, SP logo, on the orange leather one. But they said no, maybe in the future, yada yada yada. So they showed me which ones they had with this plate. And the orange one, the really beautiful orange one, it still says SP, but not on a metal plate. It's like engraved in the leather. But I wanted this gold metal plate. So this is the reason why I paid whatever it cost. And the shipping was just as much and taxes was as much as both of them together. So kind of expensive plate. And this one, which is blue camel, is not leather, it's some kind of fabric. And I would prefer the leather one. But otherwise it seems nice. Strap seems nice. The buckle, nothing special at all. The price is, I believe, €90. They from time to time, or dollars, I don't know. They from time to time have some kind of discounts. And yeah, I bought it because of the SP logo. Silly but true. The zippers are gold, kind of big inside, that's good. We have a small pocket inside that will not fit my card holder, I think. Kind of small pocket on the inside. On the outside, we don't have anything in the rear. I like that rear pocket because I have some things that I want to be hidden and hold close to me, but still easy to get when I want it without having to open the whole thing. So the pocket in the rear, very few sling bags has that actually. We have the bigger pocket in the, it was also kind of small, but a pocket in the front, and then these small ones. This is the first sling bag that I've seen with these small side corner pockets. I've seen on their own pictures that they have like AirPods there or something. So I'm gonna put AirPods and nose spray in one of them, and then in the other one I've already thought of having toothpicks there. So I have a SP sling bag or a sole premise crossbody bag. Too bad I didn't get the leather one, but the orange leather that I wanted, it doesn't have this logo, so I paid, this cost me around 230 euros maybe, just for this metal plate. But it's because I live in Sweden, expensive shipping, taxes are crazy, imports fee, yada yada yada. So let's see if I can, I'm not going to show this to you, but this is the bag that I've used the last week or something. If I can fit everything from this, because it's really filled, I can't even not close it. If I can fit all this in this, and I guess I'll show you that. It actually, it was a bit smaller than expected. I could fit everything, but I had a real tough time closing it. So it won't be easy for me to use. And if I try to like have it standing on the table to open it up, it will just fall over. But looks good. SP logo, very expensive for Surfshare. This is it. Thanks for watching. I think I'm gonna carry a bit less things with me. And this noise, but I expected that. We have like a bunch of zippers, so yeah, it sounds a bit. But I would absolutely prefer the leather one instead of this. This is not even waterproof or anything, so I bought it just for this. That's it. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change to another sling bag in a couple of days. Happy New Year.